So I have lots of nieces and nephews and people in my family that are a little bit older. So during the holiday seasons or during weddings or during birthdays, whatever the case may be, I usually just give a card with some money in it. And I always forget to go to the grocery store in order to buy a card. And I hate walking through the stores looking at all the different cards. So I simplified my life and I am very happy about it. So I bought a bundle of pre-made cards. They're very simple cards. They come in a few different designs, some a little bit more on the pink side, some a little bit more on the gray side, but pretty much usable for any age or gender. And it's just a very simple card with nothing in it. You just fold it in half. It also comes with the correct size envelopes to put them in. So I have this entire bundle of generic cards. It doesn't say happy birthday. It doesn't say congratulations on your wedding. It's just generic so that I can use them for pretty much everything I need. It comes with some stickers too. I'll probably never use those, but if you want, they're in there as well. So generic can be used for any occasion. Sitting in my desk, all I got to do is pull one off the top, sign it, write maybe a little note in there, put it in the envelope, throw some money in there, and I am good to go. No matter what the occasion is, I always have cards available right here in my desk, and I never worry about forgetting to get a card on my way to the wedding or on my way to the event. So this is what I use. This is what I enjoy doing. This helps me, and I would definitely recommend it.